we're gonna play Bella Ciao, which is this one. But we're gonna learn it without step by step. So let's go. Okay, so that's how you play Bella Ciao, and here is the step by step. Now the game is piano, which is this one. So here's the step by step. Until the black is all gone, you can do it now. And guys, this is offline, so don't worry. So let's get it now. Okay, now let's go to the next part. So guys, remember you can copy the numbers on top so you don't forget. And now we're gonna play the full song after all the parts. There's only 2 parts. So now, if you're not ready yet for play the full song, press the home button. But if now you're ready, you can play the full song. But remember, on the full song, there will be no numbers on top anymore because this is hardcore. But don't worry, I'm an expert on piano, Bella Ciao, so this will be easy. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go do it. We did it! And bye guys! And when I learn a new song, when I learn this, I'm gonna teach you the tutorial. So once again, bye!